Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to share you 2 best credit cards that I believe will be useful for the beginners in 2021. These cards have no annual fees at all, which is pretty good because you don't need to pay any fees to keep the card. It's that simple. These cards have pretty good sign-up bonuses and cashback rewards that you can take advantage of when you meet their requirements. So let's jump right in. The first credit card that I have been using for quite a while is the Bank of America credit card, and I have been using this card since my college years, so it's been like a couple of years of using it. There are a lot of cashback categories on your purchases with this card. So it offers 3% cashback on select category, 2% cashback on groceries, and 1% cashback on everything else. So it's pretty flexible in terms of using it. 3% cashback on select category is pretty interesting because you have the freedom to choose one spending item that you mostly spend on and maximize the cashback returns. It's a big selling point for me. At the time of making this video, 3% on select category includes gas, online shopping, dining, travel, drugstores, and home improvement furnishings. It's a variety of categories that we can pick, and for me to maximize the cashback returns, I select online shopping as my 3% cashback rewards because I mostly shop online, and when I check my bank statements, most of the transactions involves online shopping transactions. So it's pretty ideal for me to select 3% as the select category. If you were the type of person who travels a lot, then you would probably put that 3% cashback on that travel category, so you can get 3% cashback on every travel transactions with this credit card. Sounds pretty simple, right? Currently, it's offering $200 cashback offer after making $1,000 in purchases within 90 days. If you are currently looking for a flexible credit cards that doesn't involve any annual fees at all, I would definitely recommend this card because this card is pretty convenient for me. I can earn cashback on different categories on my transactions. Another card that I have been using for quite a while is the Chase Freedom Unlimited credit card, and this card gives you a lot of cashback options as well, and also a good sign up bonus. Currently, it's offering $200 cashback offer after spending $500 in 3 months after account opening. That $500 in 3 months, it's pretty easy for everyone to meet because we all have expenses. So by spending on your expenses with this credit card can earn you $200 additional cashback for you to use on your daily expenses. Sounds cool, isn't it? Currently, Chase offers 5% on travel if you purchase through Chase Ultimate Rewards portal. Moreover, 3% on dining purchases and drugstore purchases, and you will get at least 1.5% cash back on every other transactions that don't belong to prior transactions that I just mentioned. The best thing about having this card is that it doesn't have any annual fees at all, so you can continue using the cards without paying any fees and reap cash benefits as it offers. One thing to keep in mind is that you should be paying consistently the full balance on your credit card so that you don't end up paying interest on your balance. If you have to keep paying interest on your balance every single month, then the cashback that you are earning from your transactions wouldn't be worth it, and the interest will be probably higher than the cashback amount that you will be getting from your transactions. So make sure you keep in mind. That's a wrap for now, and I hope this video adds value to you in some way. And if you believe so, please share it to your friends and drop a like down below. It would mean a lot to me, and I'm gonna continue pushing out some valuable content in the near future. So make sure you subscribe down below, and I'll see you in the next video.